Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Explorer cup holder. First, gather your tools, which typically include a small plastic pry tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your Ford Explorer is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. It's also a good idea to have a small container or magnetic tray ready to hold any screws or small components you remove. This preparation will make the repair process much smoother and prevent lost parts. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the console trim. Use your plastic pry tool to gently lift the edges of the trim piece that surrounds the cup holder. Work slowly around the perimeter to avoid scratching or damaging the plastic. Once the trim is loose, you might find a few electrical connectors attached. Carefully disconnect these by pressing their release tabs. Finally, locate and remove any visible screws holding the cup holder assembly in place, usually 2 or 3. With the cup holder assembly removed, it's time for cleaning and repair. Often, the problem is simply accumulated dirt, sticky spills, or small debris jamming the mechanism. Use a damp cloth and a mild cleaner to thoroughly wipe down all surfaces. Inspect the springs and moving parts for any signs of damage or wear. If a spring is broken, you might need a replacement part. A small amount of silicone lubricant can help if parts feel stiff or sticky. To finish up, carefully reassemble everything in reverse order. First, place the cup holder assembly back into its position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Next, reconnect any electrical connectors to the console trim piece, ensuring they click firmly into place. Then, gently press the console trim back down until it snaps securely. Before you're completely done, give the cup holder a few test pushes to ensure it operates smoothly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.